Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Bluetooth drivers onto your Windows 11 operating system. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single one of our tutorials in the future. Now the first step you're going to want to take if you're struggling with your Bluetooth device is to check for an update to your Windows operating system. Often Windows will auto-detect that a driver needs to be updated and it will do it automatically. Step 2 is to go try to manually update your driver. The way we're going to do this is by going down to your Start button here at the bottom, right-clicking it, and then navigating to your Device Manager. Once this opens, you'll have a big list of lots of different compacted lists, and you're going to look for Bluetooth. Now, if Bluetooth doesn't show up at the top, check under network adapters or other devices, as sometimes it gets buried in those. If Bluetooth is compatible with your computer, you'll see the Bluetooth section appear either up on the top like mine or under those other two sections like I said. Expand the section by clicking the arrow, and then you're going to navigate down to the device that you're having trouble with. In my case, I have these Sony wireless headphones, the WH-1000s. So I'm going to navigate down here. You're going to want to right-click this device and click Update Driver. Next, select Search Automatically for Drivers. Once you're complete, this should fix the problem. You should be able to back out the best drivers installed, and it works. If this doesn't work, you may need to download the driver directly from the manufacturer's site. To do this, you're going to need to identify your PC or motherboard's model. The easiest way to do this is to type Windows key R. This opens this little box down here in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. And you're going to want to type in exactly what I have here. MSINFO32. No spaces, all lowercase. Once you've typed that in, just select OK. And this will open this page. There's a lot of information here, so it's easy to get overwhelmed, but we're going to narrow it down to just two things: your system model and your baseboard product. So scan this list for your system model. In my case, it's the Z590UDAC. And then for the baseboard product, which is here, and it happens to be the same thing. Now, using those two pieces of information, you're going to want to navigate to your manufacturer's website. It's going to be different for you depending on your make and model of computer, and download the drivers there. Once you do that, you should be able to follow the direction in step 2 of this video and update your drivers manually. Then you're going to want to reboot your computer and your Bluetooth should work like a charm. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this solved your issue. If you have a question, leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.